To the truth. Hypodermic disease. Making it and constant. In the pursuit of learning. Human attentive mind. Thought. So that I can concentrate and grasp my lesson. Human eager mind. Now let's kick off our assembly with an inspiring thought for the day. Here is Master Snehal and Master Chinmay to share with us.
Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own action.
Invest in our dream and talent, train now and shine later.
We repeat it. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own action.
Invest in our dream and talent, grind now and shine later.
Thank you. Have a wonderful Wednesday.
He is here to read out the words of God.
ಜ್ಞಾನೋಕ್ತಿಗಳ ಗ್ರಂಥದಿಂದ ವಾಚನ. ಸಿಟ್ಟುಗಾರನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ಕೋಪಿಷ್ಠನ ಸಂಗಡ ನೀನು ಹೋಗಬೇಡ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅವನ ನಡತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿತು ನೀನು ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಿ.
Master of fun to highlight today's news headlines.
News stories happening around us. Deccan Herald, 21st June 2023. Today's news highlights are international news headlines. Indonesia SpaceX launched satellite to boost internet connectivity. National news headlines. Indian updates. Problem not with Delhi police but with leadership, says Aam Aadmi Party. News headlines. Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah rules out revision of power tariff. Sports news. England open.
Literally a conversation between two people. Trying to master spoken English through conversation during school days is necessary for students. Hence, we of the students of class 8 are here to present a live conversation before you.
In the classroom, Sita is a little sad. Geeta is anxious to know about her welfare. They began to talk. Sita, you look somewhat sad.
I'm not feeling well. I'm running temperature.
Did you sleep in the last open night?
No, I walked in the rain and got wet.
Have you consulted a doctor?
Yes, I did. When I reached home, I was shivering. My mom took me to Dr. Verma.
What did he say you?
He said that I'm suffering from malaria.
Did he give you some medicines?
Yes, he gave me 59 tablets and that was completed.
Then why did you come to school?
There was a new lesson taught today. I don't want to miss it. Where is Mr. Sharma? I didn't see him since the morning.
Don't you know he is on 3 days leave? He will teach a new lesson on Monday.
Oh no, he didn't say anything about his leave.
I can see you are shivering.
Yes, I'm still feeling feverish.
I think you should go home and take a proper rest.
Alright, let me go for principal and ask permission first.
Scene 2. The two friends are meeting after a long time to know about their achievements. They began to talk.
Hello Diva, what a pleasant surprise. A pleasure meeting a school friend after so many years.
Yes, it is. How are you and what have you been doing?
I'm great. Do you remember the paintings I made for Flourish in school?
Yes, and you could be a great artist one day.
Well, I guess you are right there.
What do you mean?
After college, I studied paintings at JK School of Arts and today I'm a professional painter.
Oh, really? That's a great news. I never doubted your potential.
I know, and I believe that the confidence you showed in me was one of the factors which encouraged me to conquer my dreams.
Don't flatter me. It's just the fruit of your hard work.
I'm not, believe me. I never considered my drawings with any consequences. It was you who saw the talent in me and gave me the boost I needed.
Well then, I deserve a treat.
You deserve more than that, but the treat is surely in order.
Let's have coffee.
Situation 3. Esther is often late for school, but today she is early. She finds Mercy outside the classroom. They began to talk. Hello Esther, you are early for the school today?
Yes, ma'am. I'm usually late, aren't I?
What time do you get up in the morning?
I usually get up around 8.
8? Is it a bit late?
Yes, it is. What time do you wake up?
I get up at 6, brush my teeth and go for a walk.
That's a good habit. Do you use alarm clock to wake you up?
No, my mother wakes me up.
What do you do after your walk?
I will have a bath, study for an hour, eat my breakfast and then get ready for the school. How do you prepare yourself for the school?
I'm always in a hurry. Wash my face, have breakfast and rush to school.
Oh, don't you bath daily?
I rarely find time for it.
It's a bad habit. You will be ill if you won't bath daily.
I must bath daily. I'll ask my mom to wake me up an hour earlier.
Look, the peon is going to ring the school bell. Come, let's go and attend the morning assembly.
Come, let's run for the school block before we are late.
I'll raise you there after the school bell. Bye everyone.
Today we have a special person on the stage.
Let's all wish Miss Abhisha Desi of 7th and Mr. Dikshit of 4th.
May you be blessed with happiness and success.
Start.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to